Okay, so as we get to the end of the place value unit, we're going to compare and order decimals, and hopefully most of you by this point, from us using the blocks and talking about relating this to money and the number lines, that you've developed your own strategies to compare these numbers and know which one's bigger or which one's less, based on those strategies from the activities we did in class. Okay, so there's many different ways we can look at this. We can look at this as, okay, this is 4 and 1, well, 13 hundredths and 4 tenths, but I know that 4 tenths is 40 hundredths, so this would have to be bigger. We could look at it as money, $4.13. This is $4.04, but 40 cents because the 4 is in the tens place, and 10, dimes are worth 10 cents. Or if you're really struggling with that kind of stuff, we can always line up the place values to see. We go left to right. So the 4s and the 1s place are the same. We go to the tenths place. This is a 1, this is a 4. 1 tenth is less than 4 tenths, so this would have to be greater than. Okay? Second one here, again, you can think of it through the blocks, okay? You can think of it as money. Again, even though this is in the tenths place, this would be $15.36, $15.19. The thousands is a little bit less than a penny, 5 tenths less than the pennies. But it really doesn't affect when we're comparing those. We can think of it as blocks. This would be 365 thousandths. This would be 190 thousandths blocks. You can think about where they would go on a number line. You can always line them up. But the one thing that we don't do anymore, and we talked about this, is just because a number has more digits in it does not mean that it's automatically going to be bigger. Just like in example 1, this is only 2 digits in it, but it was the bigger number because of the place value the numbers were in. So we can always line them up. The tens are the same, the 1's the same. And then I get to the tenths place. This has 3 tenths, this has 1 tenth. 3 tenths is bigger than 1 tenth. So this would be the bigger number. So like I said, we've been talking about this for a couple weeks now. We've been doing a lot of activities to really help you get a mental image of where these numbers are at, and we're at the point where we can compare and order them. So this will be due Tuesday. If you have any questions, see me during time or math class.